Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today we're working on our 07 Mazda 3 with a 2.0 liter in it. We're going to show you how to check your oil level and where to add the oil in the engine. You need any parts for your car, head on over to 1aauto.com. Hood release is located right here. Safety latch is right above the Mazda symbol, right in the center. You just turn it over to the right. And then you have the hood prop rod, and you put it in where the arrow goes and says rod, right in there and lock it in. So our engine oil dipstick is the yellow plastic one. It's located in the center of the engine cover. You just give that a tug, pull that out. This you would check with the engine off, not running, and preferably with the engine cold. First thing before you start it in the morning will give you the true level of oil in this engine. So if we look real quick before I dip it back in, see the cutout notch? And there's a line there and a line there. You want the oil in between those two lines. You don't want the oil up here. And if it's below it with the engine cold, you need to add. This particular model has a notch on the stick and one on the valve cover, so you line that up, push it all the way down. Let's pull it out, see where our oil level is. So it's right below the spec, right above the spec. It's right here. Now if we had to add oil, the oil cover is in the back here. And this is the type of oil this car takes, 5W20. That's nice that they put that on the cover. If it's not on the cover, you can always check the manual. It'll have the proper fluids in there. You would add the oil right through there, right into the engine. Always make sure the cap is back on and locked.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.